Data flow diagram symbols. So basically there are two symbol set, Gane and Sarson symbol set and Eurodon symbol set. We'll be talking about Gane and Sarson symbol set primarily. So there are basically four symbols that data flow diagram represents. They are process symbols, data flows, data stores, and entity symbol. So the first one here, calculate pay, this is a process symbol. Gross pay here is a data flow symbol. Paycheck is data stores, and then the employee is a entity symbol. So processes symbol basically shows how the input data is being transformed into a different output. It contains logic or business rules that transforms data and produce the required results. Process symbol is also referred as black box because the underlying details and the logic of the processes are hidden. So the next one is the data flow symbols. Data flow is a path for data to move from one part of the information system to another. Data flows in a data flow diagram represents one or more data items. For example, employee ID is a single data item, and then department with employee ID, employee name, date of birth, etc. would be like multiple data item. The symbol for data flow is a line with arrow. This is also a data flow here. There's a double line and there's a single line data flow. Next one's a data store. I have here paycheck. Data store symbols are used in data flow diagrams to represent data that the system stores. So later one or more system processes will use this data. For example, the payroll system stores paycheck information to print W2 at the end of the year. So, so paycheck is a data store. And the last one is a entity symbol. I also have here as an entity symbol. So entity symbol basically is it's rectangular in shape. The name of the entity is written inside. So here I have a customer. And then the data flow shows only the external entities that provide data to the system. For example, customer placing an order to an online ordering system would be a customer entity. And then the data flow diagram entities are also called terminators because they are data origin, and then also they are the data final destination spot.